Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 related with exercise number 1.3 related with chapter number 1 matrices and determinant, class 9 mathematics. In today's video, we are going to start chapter number 6 related with class 10 mathematics based on the topic of basic statistics. So start with exercise number 6.3, question number 7. It tells that a set of data contains the values as 148, 145, 160, 157, 156 and 160. Show that mode is greater than median, median is greater than mean. So solution. First we are going to know that what is mode, what is median and what is mean. So taking the given data set of data 148, 145, 160 and 157 and 156 and 160. Rearrange them in ascending order, this set of data. So 145 is less. After this we will take 148. After this we will take 156 and 157. After this 160 and 160. This in ascending order of the given set of data. So show that mode is greater than median, median is greater than mean. Mode is actually the most repeating occurring value in a set of data is called mode. So in this set of data 160 comes twice, 157 comes as a single, 156 is a single, 148 and 155 these are single, comes as a single, and 160 comes as a twice. That's why 160 is the most repeating occurring value in this set of data. That's why the mode of the given set is 160. So our mode will be equal to 160. After this we are going to find the median. If we have a set of data given in odd value, just like pipe different number of element in a set of data is given. So by odd our median will be actually the middle value. But here we have an even set of data is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is an even. So for an even set of data we will add the middle two number 156 plus 157 and then we will divide them by 2. So 156 plus 157 we add them 156 with 157, so 13 and 1 and 1 and 3, so it gives us 313. And now we divide 313 by 2, so it gives us 3. 2 multiply 1 gives us 2, 3 minus 2 gives us 1, 1, it gives us 10. After this it gives us 2 multiply 6, so it gives us 156. So the median of this set of data for an even case, the median of the data is 156. So our median is equal to 156. So now after this we are going to find mean. Mean is actually the formula for the mean is actually sum of the total number divided by total number given, total number, or sum of observation divided by total observation. You will understand it by solving the given question. So add 145 with 148, 145 with 148, it gives us 9 and 293. Now add 156, so it gives us 9, 4 and 4, it gives us 449. 9, now add 157 with it, so it gives us 6, 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 6. Now add 160 and 160, it gives us 320. So add 320 with 606, 320, it gives us 6, 2 and 9. Now the sum of the observation is 926, so put over here 926 divided by total observation. So count the total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So put 6 over here, so 926 divided by 6. So 6 multiply 1 gives us 6, 9 minus 6 3, 2, 6 multiply 5 gives us 30, 32 minus 30 gives us 2 and 6, 6 multiply 4 gives us 24. So the answer is 154. So our mean of the given set data is 154. That tells that mode is 160 is greater than median 156 and median is greater than mean, which is 154. So 160 is greater than 156 and 156 is greater than 154. So it all satisfies the given condition. So with this question, I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about statistics. Chapter number 6, class 10 mathematics. Thank you.